Welcome to Wolfow Economics. As a finance student, I often hear about inflation, but recently I asked myself a simple question: what does it really mean? And behind that one question came many more questions. What does it mean for my family? What does it mean for my friend? What does it mean for you and for me? And the most important question is, why does our money keep disappearing ever faster than before? And I went on a journey to find a simple answer to those questions. And today I'm here to share with you what I discovered. The first thing I learned about inflation that we should consider it like a silent thief. For example, you went to a coffee shop last year and buy a large cup of coffee for $5, but this year you try to do the same thing, or wherever you only get a medium coffee. What I realized is the silent thief is not stealing your money, or whether is stole your buying power. Don't get me wrong, like 2% inflation, maybe a year, could be a good sign of a healthy economy. But what we are having in 2025 is way different, it's way much bigger. In order to understand better how this silent thief operate, let me put it in another way. This is an overflowing bathtub, right? Imagine all the money and our economy is the water and the top. And the faucet is the new money coming in. Our salary, government spending, etc. And the drain is where the money goes out. That means when we buy product and services. So the problem today in 2025 is twofold. The first one is the faucet. It's still running ever faster than before. The governments all over the world are spending huge amount of money on new global priorities, for example, transition for green energy and AI development. So when you look at this stuff, water keep pouring in it and it's still overflowing. And the second part of it is the drain. The drain got smaller. Or does that drain got smaller? Is a way the world and the manufacturers are changing. Everything is shifting to local, and if the production for every country they are making it local and the trade are getting less efficient, that means the product and services are getting more expensive. In the system, you can see the drain got literally smaller and is likely to stay permanently. Hey, my journey is to understand the financial world better and put it in a simple way. If you want to join me, please subscribe, and if you like it, hit the like button. So when you have a bathtub that is overflowing, if you cannot fix it, the first response is to call a plumber to fix it. In case of inflation, what we do, we use the central bank, aka the Fed. What the Fed do to fix inflation usually use interest rate, which is the cost of borrowing money. By raising interest, the Fed try to reduce borrowing and spending, which cool down the inflation. However, we as individual cannot control the Fed, or let's say, for example, global trade. So what can we do about it? The first thing is to protect our money. And that's why in the past years, investing has become a necessary skills for everybody to use. And investing is not exclusive anymore. Everybody can invest their money. So in the next video, I'm gonna show you and explain you some methods that you can use that could help your money go faster than inflation. Hey, please subscribe, and if you like it, hit the like button.